Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Derby Specialist. So we're getting the process of ripping this room out, and my guys were just making a joke and said, that's why they bring it to the specialists, right? So as you can see, all the trim, everything from the bed, everything had to be completely disassembled and removed. It's that corner that's over there.
Oh shoot, I forgot about that. There was one over here and I didn't.
Don't move that. You know, I have a screw right
You know what the problem is with these?
Yeah.
Is the screws are under the carpet.
Yeah, I found one over here and hopefully.
So there's a little bracket over there on the side that they're having to remove in order to get the room out. But this room has already been patched by somebody else. You can see all the dry rot and the black mold. The whole surface of that whole entire room, all the way across, is completely rotted. And this has got a older style Schwintek in here, so we've got a newer version to put in as well. Stuff for that. And again, it's always really important to make sure you're keeping clean and treating the roofs and the slate outs and all the stuff. You can see all the stuff that's been collecting up here for years. I'm gonna go back out. So we're getting ready to rip this room apart. And this is the mobile suites. So it's a nice older coach, but you know, to the value of not repairing it versus trying to go get a new one would be astronomical. So the guys go ahead and having us repair this floor, but this whole entire floor is completely rotted, and when the wood is down or when the structure is down, this whole entire floor, like in the other video you see, is just completely rotted. A lot of the water came in from the top that they've been battling for years and getting in under the flanges, as well as the washing machine that they suspected had leaked. But
you're gonna have to just go back as far as you can until your wheels are almost on that yellow.
Anyway, stay tuned for more. It's the Dustin Derby Specialist. The guys are getting ready to pull that piece in the inside, and then we're out here getting ready to extract the room from the box itself. Thanks so much for watching.